Sweet Genius is basically they have to do a cookie, a cupcake, and a truffle, and we've been working on the ingredients and the taster's choice for that. But people are coming from all over, from Barstow, from Phelan, from Hesperia, Victorville, Snowline, yeah.
I'm here because I have a great team and we're all very high improved in baking.
It's just fun, it's just an outlet, you know? I get to go in there, it involves creativity and working with your hands and having to sometimes think on the spot. It's really fun and it's interactive, I like it.
It's great, honestly. When I see the kids come in and they act like they have no interest in doing it, they couldn't be bothered, and then as we keep doing it, they realize, oh, I have an interest in this, or I have a passion for this. It's great to see, it really is, and I've been seeing it a lot through the year, which has been awesome.
It feels good knowing that my school wants me to do stuff. It sets us in a good direction and to pick our career.
Well, it's just a really cool experience right now. Like, I'm learning how to work with my other peers, and it's a fun day.
Being in an environment like this where you have to walk around and kind of communicate with people, it's like I gotta think about what I need, how much I need, and then seeing that kind of through the process, what it takes to make certain parts of the meal, it's great.
As an instructor, it's great to see them take the very rudimentary things and really put it together and make a final product that is excellent.
Yeah, I do feel hype when people like my food. It's like, because I'm an athlete, so like when I do a good play, it makes you feel good. So athletes in baking, it's like, I feel good about myself.
The MDCP is great. They really offer a lot of things to these kids that they may or may not be able to do otherwise. It gives them the opportunity to pursue things like restaurant management, culinary, baking, things like that. If they are not going to be doing the traditional college route, this gives them a little bit of other choices, which is great.